People always talk about some smoke that they don't know about. I be driving with that constant way more than your mama house. All the speed doctors, we got patients who keep slowing down. Come and take a ride with us and see how we gon' run the town. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show. From the money to the cars, we gon' show you how it go. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show.
Alright, Speed Doc fam, it's your boy Dr. Dre in the humble abode. I know it's been a little while, but I'm gonna go take some of our merch to some of our fans, man. You know, we've been out of town actually for the last week, and Dr. X, he finna kind of be on the move a little bit, so we want to try to hit y'all with some content. So come on, let's see what we're gonna do today, man. Yeah, like, you know, I was all the way down in Puerto Rico and some brother out in LA, you know, and I got to get that footage to you too, bro, because my you know, my brother got a clean like Carrera GTS convertible. So I was out that thing whipping it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You know I like Porsche.
What year was it?
His is like a 2018 drop top. Yeah. So it moves. And, you know, and then my little nephew, he got they gonna give him their old Cayenne, which is similar to mine. So that's dope. So we keep it in the family, you know what I'm saying?
But yours is not stock though, right? Yes, you upgraded it?
Yeah. Like my Cayenne?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's tuned, exhaust. And the funny thing is, those trucks are now getting a lot of cred. The values are going up on them because they sneaky good off-road. Because when Porsche first created that Cayenne, they didn't know if it was going to be a heavy-duty off-roader, like if people wanted an off-road Porsche, if they wanted a speed Porsche. So the first generation, mine is kind of like the second, but the early ones, they gave it with all the stuff like a Wrangler, locking differential, all that kind of stuff, so you can go off-road with it. And so now a lot of guys are going back and like putting lift kits on them and taking them off-road and all that kind of stuff.
Make
so
a full use of it.
Yeah. So I'm thinking about, I'm gonna hold it for a little bit longer, but I'm gonna put it up for sale at some point and see, maybe even on Doug DeMero's Junk Cars and Bids, maybe get see what somebody will offer me for a toy.
Yeah.
You know, but I figure we'll try to go out in the ScatPack today because I've only driven it once since been back in town. Been kind of bumping around in the other cars. So you got to put some heat in the engine every now and then. Pulled in last night and I saw it was kind of dirty. So, you know what I'm saying.
So now where we supposed to go today?
Well, gonna go over to my boy Marwan's spot at
where you put the Scat? Ain't this where you park it? This a parking spot, right?
They didn't took that. They didn't took to get it in.
They done took the goddamn.
God, I can't believe this shit. They didn't stole the car for. No, 2021 Dodge Challenger ScatPack Widebody. It's white. Yeah, I checked with them downstairs. I mean, you know, they're gonna review the camera. All right. I'm not tripping too much. I mean, like, they steal them hoes, man. Like, Challengers and Chargers, they known to be stolen. I know Dodge was rolling out this summer somewhere. If the car gets to driving without the key in it, you take it in and the ECU prevents the power above like 7 horsepower. so you can't drive it. But they hadn't rolled that out yet. So I'm not tripping. So basically, y'all done really caught it unscripted. We had met up here with Shortstop, man, and we were gonna try to film to bring y'all some new content. And we come outside in my garage, supposedly secured garage. The car is gone. Like, somebody got it, man. I got both the keys upstairs. The car is gone. So I don't know. That's what insurance is for, folks. So I'm not tripping, you know, Gap insurance stuff or whatever. Thing about FCA or Chrysler products, you know, we got Uconnect on their ass, so maybe they'll find it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It'll probably be full of weed and Hennessy if they find it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. Like I said, I'm upset, but I'm not. You know, y'all gonna follow on this journey with us. You know, it just sucks. It was 2021. Car had 3,500 miles on it.
Yeah, it was brand new.
Yeah, brand new. So somebody out there having a good time. Somebody having a good fucking time right now. I don't know. I ain't tripping. That's why we got insurance. It's not my only car. It's not my only transportation. So I'm not tripping. I don't know. What do y'all think out there? If they find it, it's probably gonna be wrecked. It's got to be fucked up. It's either in Mexico or it's tow up.
Yeah, some they probably went and got that engine.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the only thing it's really good for, huh? Them scats. That's the main thing that's in there.
Well, think about it. They done sold a lot of Challengers, bro.
Yeah.
You can strip it down and it's worth twice as much, to be honest.
Right.
You put them parts
After
up on eBay.
Down,
Yeah, hell,
yeah,
even the damn little yellow bumper strip they can get $75 or something for, you know?
Yeah.
So
yeah, you get more for it broken down than for it being together.
yeah, if somebody just riding around in that junk, then it's amateur hour. You know? They just I can't see nobody just taking it to ride with it.
Right.
Not out of here.
Right.
Like, you know what I'm saying? If it was a smash and grab, bust a window and drive off, then yeah, you joyride in it for the weekend, crash that bitch, ditch it. But yeah,
look,
I mean,
man, it's not even no glass.
it's no glass. It wasn't the nicest car up here. I felt like it was dope, but it's a Bentley right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's another Challenger downstairs that's kind of dope. There's McLarens and Lambos up in here, so, but I mean, them Dodgers easy to take.
Yeah.
They easy to
It
take.
is too.
So, I don't know. I just got off the phone with the police department, filed a report, filed an insurance report already. So now we just wait and see what happens. I hit up Uconnect. In fact, shout out to the channel Coming Up with KD, my boy Kel Johnson. I hit him up and he shot me the number to Uconnect for them to report it so they can start tracking it. And of course, Uconnect was like, yeah, we track them. We're gonna be in communication with the police about it. They went through this whole verification process with the case number. Obviously, they wouldn't give me the location of the car. They said they're not gonna report to me where it is because they don't want me to guess to go whole Batman on them and go get my own shit.
Nah, for real.
And shoot out with the people.
What?
Yeah, we
I want my car.
Yeah, nah. So we gonna let the police do what the police do, man. I'm not tripping, man. I say shit. It's just time. When it's time to go, it's time to go.
Yeah.
So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be an interesting journey, man. If the ScatPack is total or whatever, whenever they find it, we're gonna see what we're gonna do. If we gonna buy the salvage and turn it into something crazy, if we just gonna get something else, get another ScatPack, get a Hellcat. I don't know, man. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. You know, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. These boys out there, man. They out there. Y'all be careful. They out there. They out there. So until then, look for the content, I guess, to be in dirty black right here. Be it the Audi or one of the other Porsches, but you know, stay tuned, man. Speeddoc Nation out there. Like I said, you just saw our video right now. They done stole the ScatPack. Not clickbait. The car is gone. If you really support the campaign, support the Speeddoc Nation. If you anywhere in the South, because at this point the car has probably been gone about 18 hours or so. If that's the case, if you're anywhere in the South, we in Houston, if you see the white ScatPack Widebody challenge out there, license plates, Texas plates that say 392 Doc, 392 Doc, white Widebody Scat 2021. They probably done took the Speeddoc stickers off of it by now, maybe even took the plates off. But if you see it, call the police, okay? Call 911, let them know. We're gonna bounce back. It's not, that's what insurance is for. But if y'all got eyes on it, you know, hey, let somebody know, you know. Or if you did take it and you watching right now, you enjoy it while you can, man. You know what I'm saying? You enjoy it while you can, man.